Measurement.
Sarah, guess what? I have decided to give my living room a complete makeover. Oh, that sounds cool. What's the plan? I want to change the layout. But do not want things to end up looking mismatched or unbalanced. Oh, you need to measure the height and width of the living room accurately.
Units of measuring length. Standard units to measure length are centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Centimeter is the smaller unit of length used to measure shorter lengths. It is denoted by cm. For example, length of a pencil is 12 centimeters. Length of a notebook is 25 centimeters, etc. Meter is used to measure longer lengths. It is denoted by m. For example, length of a cloth is 2 meters. Height of a wall is 6 meters. Height of a tree is 15 meters, etc. Kilometer is the bigger unit of length used to measure the bigger lengths. It is denoted by km. Distance between two cities is measured in kilometers. Measuring short length. We use a scale to measure the length of an object. The scale has two types of marks, long marks and short marks. The long marks on the scale are 1 centimeter apart. Each centimeter is divided into 10 small equal parts called millimeters, written as mm. To measure the length of the object using a scale, place the object alongside the ruler with one end of the object at the 0 mark of the ruler. Take the reading at the other end of the object, which gives the length of the object. The length of the pencils is 4 centimeter. Measuring mass or weight. The quantity of matter in an object is called its mass. Generally, we use the word weight instead of mass. The weight of an object tells us how much heavy an object is. By observing two objects, we can tell which one is lighter. A book is lighter than a bag. To find the weight of the objects, we use a balance, and weights of different measures are shown here. Nowadays, a variety of weighing machines are used for measuring weights exactly. Some of them are shown here. Standard units to measure mass are milligram, gram, and kilogram to weigh objects. Milligram is used to measure very light things. It is denoted by mg. For example, weight of a feather, a safety pin, a medicine, etc. is measured in milligrams. Gram is used to measure the weight of lighter objects. It is denoted by g. For example, weight of a book, a packet of chips, etc. is measured in grams. Kilogram is used to measure heavy weights. It is denoted by kg. For example, weight of a boy, a basket full with apples, etc., is measured in kilogram, making equal weights. These are two 500 grams weight. That is, the total weight 2 into 500 grams is equal to 1,000 grams, which is 1 kilogram. These are 500-gram weights. That is, the total weight is 5 into 100 grams is equal to 500 grams. 200-gram weights and 100-gram weight. Thus, the total weight is 2 into 200 gram plus 100 gram, which is 500 gram. These are 5 200-gram weights. The total weight is 5 into 200 grams is equal to 1,000 grams, which is 1 kilogram. Measuring capacity. The quantity of a liquid that a container can hold is called its capacity or volume. Here, vessels of different sizes used to measure different quantities are shown. A vessel marked with scales can also be used to measure quantities of liquid. Standard units to measure capacity are liter and milliliter. Small quantities of liquids are measured in milliliter. It is denoted by small m and capital L. For example, capacity of cup of tea, medicine in an injection, ink bottle, etc. are measured in milliliters. Large quantities of liquid are measured in liters. It is denoted by capital L. For example, capacity of a water can, a bathtub full of water, oil drum, etc. are measured in liters.